Hey everybody, some Gadget Guy here, and the impossible has finally happened. That's right. Instagram is now on Windows Phone. We're going to take a quick look at the features of the new Instagram. It's currently in beta, but it is officially on our favorite Windows Phone handsets. We're going to compare it to SixTag, which has been in the past my favorite Instagram solution on Windows Phone. And then we'll probably also take a look at Instagram on Android just to see what kind of features Instagram might need to move over and where SixTag might be facing a little bit more competition. So just to fire up Instagram on Windows Phone first, just take a look around. When we go to the home screen, this is very similar to the Instagram experience that we're used to on other phone handsets. You get your square photo, and then you can see likes and comments underneath. You can like, you can comment, and then we get our little three-dot indicator there. Let's see if we can tap that. Right now, we can copy the share URL if we want to share that on some other social network. You want to copy that, move it over to Twitter, move it over to Google+. We can report inappropriate activity, but that's about it for that. And then let's see, because we'll just double tap. And yeah, the double tap on the screen still gives someone a like, just as per usual. And everything's pretty fluid. It's updating pretty quick. I have my phones on Wi-Fi right now, so we're getting this photo stream updating very quickly. There's one of my photos from another story that'll be coming out on the Lumia 2520. I'll just like my own photo. A buddy of mine did the Spartan. If we compare that to SixTag, it seems to fire up faster. Instagram beta seems to fire up faster than SixTag, but I get my photo stream moving just as quickly on SixTag as well. But let's go ahead and take a look. There is no pull down to refresh, whereas on SixTag, let me get all the way down. Here we get all the way. And when you pull, it'll pull to refresh and you'll get new photos that way. On Instagram right now, if we go to the top, I don't want someone's video playing. If we pull down, nothing happens. So we have a little refresh button, which is kind of old school. We can hit that, and now we'll get new updates. But it feels a little bit more manual. And when you get used to a gesture to kind of handle that, then that solution feels better. Whereas like on Android, we have our little refresh button up here in the upper right-hand corner. So looking down, we've got settings, we've got search, we've got camera, we've got refresh up at the top. Now we can also check out explore Instagram. We can search for users and hashtags, and these are popular posts. And when we refresh, same thing, we'll see updates and just different things that are currently trending and are very popular on Instagram. We can see our activity. And right now I posted a photo of some Instagram cookies at a Nokia event, because I just got home from that, and I haven't had much time to play with the app. In fact, I've just been around. But these are the Instagram cookies that they served at this Windows Phone event just to celebrate Instagram coming to Windows Phone. And then we've got our little personal user info stuff. That's all great. These are all of my wonderful shots. Should definitely find, hey, look at all these famous people that I've taken pictures of at red carpet events. That's pretty cool. Everyone should follow me on Instagram. Let's get into the settings so we can see what's in the settings here. So you start out, you can edit your profile, find and invite friends. Let's see to follow your friends, we can find. Oh, this is suggested users. I accidentally tapped on the wrong thing. But you can see other people that Instagram thinks that you should follow. Let's back up. I want to follow my friends. And we can find friends on Facebook, and they can also search the contacts, which is pretty cool. Sometimes, because of the way that Windows Phone partitions some of that information, you don't always have access to contacts. So that's really cool. And let's back out there. One more. And so preferences, we've got our share settings, push notifications, live tile notifications, and you saw I had 4 updates on Instagram, even between the time that I loaded the app on my Nokia and got ready to shoot this video. And on share settings, we've got all of the normal social networks that tie into Instagram, so you can auto push your photos to Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Flickr, Foursquare, and VK. I just set up a VK account, so those of you in Europe who are on VK, give me a follow on VK too. I have like 2 followers. Let's see. We can find support, the help center, the Instagram blog, privacy policy, terms of service about. You might want to read through that terms of service just so you know what Instagram and Facebook are allowed to do with your photos. And one more swipe to the side gets us back to our normal settings. So let's take a quick look at the photo features. This is one of those things where Instagram has a little ways to catch up on, and this is definitely where the app feels kind of beta. When we fire up the photo, it'll take a little while. There we go. That takes a long time to get into our camera roll, and it takes to your camera roll first. So you can pick a photo that you've already taken, which especially like on the Nokia, like the 1020, on the 1020, which is what we're playing with here, you still might want to do that because the app that Instagram taps into looks like it's the stock Windows Phone camera app. It does not use the Lumia or the Nokia camera app. And so it uses the entire width or length, I guess I should say, of the screen when you're taking the picture, which is kind of frustrating because we know that it's going to be cropped and it's going to be, made into a square. So let's go ahead and take a photo there. I'm not actually going to share this, but we can at least see. We're going to hit accept. And then it comes back to a scale and crop window. So I would prefer it just start shooting as if it were already a square. I mean, Instagram could automatically do the crop. Like, for example, SixTag does that, where it's automatically a square. And on Android, again, it's automatically a square. And so you don't have to go through that dialogue where you have to reframe or crop after the fact. But we're going to go ahead and hit OK. And now we've got access to all of the fun filters that we are used to on Instagram, Maro Mayfair, Rise, Hudson, Valencia, X Pro. I like to hashtag most of my photos no filter though, because I'm a hipster like that. And I prefer what actually came out of the camera versus trying to make my photos look pretty after the fact. I like to make my photos look pretty just by taking them properly the first time. The one thing I still haven't tried, so when we're in this setting right here, when we come into the camera, let's see. Yeah, the video setting is disabled. So we are not able to take video on the Instagram beta. So it looks like that's functionality that they'll need to add. Maybe for that reason alone, that the SixTag might still be the app to use if you want to do video on Windows Phone. And again, it's not using the good Nokia camera app, but if you just want to pop your phone out, take a quick shot, get it sent off, then that might be the best solution to use because you can jump into video, you can jump into photo if you want to take a live photo, you can pull up a picture from one of your albums. Or you can even, what's cool about SixTag, one of the things I really like about SixTag is it's not letting me do it. There we go. It has a built-in collage feature. So you can stack photos on top of each other, do, like cool split screen or quads or anything like that. You can do a whole bunch of additional photo editing in SixTag that you can't do in stock Instagram. You have to use another app like PhotoGrid, for example. I use a lot on Android to do collages for Instagram. And so far, I think the one feature that we still don't have for Windows Phone at all, because you can't do this. So like if I go into my camera roll and I try and upload from there, all I have are photos. I don't have any of the videos that I've got. So you cannot upload a video from a Windows Phone on SixTag. You cannot shoot a video on the official Instagram app, and that leaves Android and iOS as the only ones that can do video upload. All of these videos that I've got right here, I can upload to Instagram, and you'll be able to crop and select the time that you want to do the video for. All of that works really well on Android. None of that functionality is existent at all on the official Instagram beta, and you can only shoot new video on Windows Phone. You can't upload a video that you've already shot. All right, folks, so that's the new Instagram app for Windows Phone. If you were worried about using some sort of third-party service that your information might be on another server somewhere, or you just wanted the official experience on Windows Phone, it's always been silly that the best camera could not take part natively on the Instagram experience. Sorry, Android users, sorry, iOS users, right now, if you want the best camera on a smartphone, it's this puppy right here, the Nokia Lumia 1020, and you would have to use some other piece of software to get your beautiful, spectacular 41 megapixel shots up onto Instagram. However, for those of you who are currently rocking a Windows phone, while we have this nice new pretty official Instagram experience, it's a little hamstrung. I don't like that photo window. I don't like the actual photo taking experience. And I think for many of us, I think sticking with 6TAG for the short term at least is the way to go. I think this is a much more mature app. I think it's a better experience overall. And I know Instagram will catch up quickly. We saw how quickly they updated features for Android to make sure Android was comparable with iOS. I would expect that they'll do likewise, working with Microsoft and probably Nokia directly to improve the app experience there too. But as it stands right now, if you're rocking one of the beautiful PureView cameras on a Nokia Lumia, I would recommend sticking with 6TAG, using 6TAG as your main Instagram portal and interface, and then checking in occasionally on Instagram to see how the progress on updating the app goes. And when it finally reaches parity, when it finally reaches all of the same features that 6TAG has, then maybe you can switch over to the official one. But for right now, I'm going to stick with 6TAG for my Windows phones, and the official Instagram app has been perfectly fine on Android. So folks, thanks for watching. Go out there, go take some pictures, go share some pictures with me. I'm at Some Audio Guy on Instagram. I guess it's not at, that's a Twitter thing. I'm Some Audio Guy on Instagram. Give me a follow. I like to follow back, and I like to share photos and videos with people who are very active with photography. Hopefully you'll like some of my work, and I'm sure I'll like yours. As always, folks, thanks for watching, and I will catch you all on the next video.